All right, in this question they're asked, they say that for every value of x, that this expression is the same as this expression. And they want to know what the b is. And we can find out a too. So what I have to do is I have to make this thing look like that. So let me try it. So x squared minus 10x plus 39. And eventually I've got to have it look like this. X minus a squared plus b. So I got to get some brackets in there somehow. So basically what you're doing is completing this square. And the purpose for this is if this is written as a function, then this value and this value means something quite important to the graph of this. The graph of this function would look something like, I don't know, just something like that. And these values here, a and b, tell you where that bottom point is. So it's an important skill to be able to do. So here's how you do it. So you take these two and sort of group them. So x squared minus 10x, we'll put those in brackets, plus, and leave 39 on the outside. Some people do it differently. This is the way I've seen it done in books before. Then what you do is you try and make a perfect square out of this stuff. So I'm going to have to add a number there. And what I'm looking for is something like this. Like if I have x squared plus 6x plus 9. If you were to factor that, that would be x plus 3 and an x plus 3. And that's what I'm looking for two things. So then I can write them x plus 3 squared. And that's, see what they have here? So I need to figure out what that other number should be. So I'm going to put a number in there. Now, an easy way to do it, or the way you can do it, is take this middle number, 6, divide it by 2, that'll give you 3, and then square it, that'll give you 9. So if you take that middle number, whatever it is, divide it by 2, and then square it, it'll give you the number you need. So we need to take a minus 10, divide it by 2, and then square it. So it'd be minus 10 divided by 2 is a minus 5, and minus 5 squared is 25. So 25 is the number I want to write in right here. But in an expression, you can't just willy-nilly throw in a 25. You have to account for that somehow. And so the way we account for it is out here, we get rid of that 25. Really, when you do some more of these, you'll find that what you do is you take whatever number's out front here. Right now it's a 1. And you change the sign of that and multiply it by the 25. So really, this would be like a minus 1 times 25. Okay? But basically, if you add a 25 in here, you got to lose it out here. So what we'll have then is we have x squared minus 10x plus 25. And then out here, I've got plus 39 minus 25. Let's factor this. So that'll be x minus 5 and x minus 5. We made sure it looked like that they were the same. And then 39 take away 25 would be a 14. And then x minus 5, there's two of them, so I can write it as x minus 5 squared plus 14. So the value of b that they're asking for is 14, and the value of a is 5. Since there's a minus already in the equation, then this would be a positive 5. A would be a positive 5. All right, hopefully that helps.